So hello guys, welcome to another video of 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. Today is our 50th day of this challenge and we had completed our half century of questions in lead codes. So today we'll do actually that half century. So today is our 50th problem. So the problem is problem number 912, sort an array. It is a medium level question. So you might be thinking that why the sorting is a medium level question, because we have given some conditions the sorting must be completed in n log n complexity and smallest space as possible. So let's see how we can do this problem. For doing this problem, we can't use the sort function that C++ or Java gave us. So let's make a sort function. So the basic sorting technique took big of n time complexity. So we are bounded that we have to do this problem in n log n complexity. So let's try some other methods of sorting. So if you remember, there are two sorting techniques which can do sorting in n log n time complexity. One is merge sort and one is quick sort. So let's try merge sort here. So let's take an array 5 1 5 1 1 2 0 0. So I'll write this array uh, 5 1 1 2 0 0. Okay, so this is our array. So let's try to sort it. I will make this approach so easy. We'll use this divide and conquer method here. So if I have this six elements, I'll divide it into two parts, like 5 1 1 and 2 0 0. So in this way, I will divide this part. So we have first part as 5 1 1, that is 5 1 1, and the other part is 2 0 0. So 2 0 0. Now, in the left half, I will also do dividing. So let's divide it from the middle, uh, from by here, okay, and the left part also by here. So we have 5 1 1, and here is 1, and here is 2 0 and 0. So I have 5 1, and here is 1, and here is 2 0, and here is 0. So in this problem, I have 5 and 1 two elements. So let's divide it from middle. I have 5 here and 1 here, and I have only one here is here. So I'll circle it. And whenever I'll get the single element, I'll circle it. Okay. So from here I got 2 and 0. So from here I got 5, and I'll circle it. And here I got 1, I'll circle it. From here I got 2, and I'll circle it. And from here I got 0, I'll circle it. So when I will get the single node or single element from that array, I will return that. Okay. In this problem, I will return 5 from here because 5 is a sorted array in itself. So my basic approach is to divide the problem in the smallest problem possible, and and I will solve that small problems and make the bigger solution for the bigger approach. So let's see. I have divided this problem in the smallest problem as possible, and the smallest problem in this problem is the single element. And I will return the single element. As I'll return the single element, it is sorted in itself. Okay, so from here I will return 5. Okay, and from here I will return 1. While returning, I will make this array. First, I will sort this array, and then I will merge it. So at first I will have 1, and then I will have 5. So it is sorted in itself. Now it is sorted in itself. Look, I have 1 and 5 sorted in itself. Okay, and from here I will got 2 and 0. From here 2, and from here 0. So now my array will become 0, 2. So it is 0, 2. Okay, so it is also sorted in itself. And here I have 1, 5 and 1. Now I have 1 5 1 and 0 2 0. Then while returning from this section, I have the sorted array, and while returning from this section, I have a single sorted array. So let's sort this up. After sorting, I'll get 1 1 and 5. Okay, I'll get 1 1 and 5. From here I'll get 0 0 and 2. Okay, in this way I'll generate two sorted array in both the directions, in left and right. I have the sorted array. So from here, when I have unsorted arrays, I return that as unsorted array in the sorted form. I return that unsorted array in sorted forms. So while returning from here, I have sorted array and I have another sorted array, and I have to merge that unsorted array. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 5. So it is the final result where I got the sorted array. I will return this. I will return this. So in this way, I will do this sorting method. At first, I have to divide that array in the smallest array as possible, and the smallest array as possible is the array with a single element. Okay, so I will divide the array till it contains the single element, and then I will return that array in a sorted way. So if I have only 5 in that array, so it is always a sorted array. The array with only one element is always a sorted array. So when we return 5 and return 1, it is always in the sorted form. Okay, so now in this function call, I will have two sorted array. One is this and one is this. So I have to merge that two sorted arrays. It is a problem for merging two sorted arrays in a sorted manner. Okay, so I will do it in this code editor. So let's see what can I do. So I will call the function merge sort, or I should write it in this way, merge sort, and in that merge sort, okay, I'll make a merge sort array. Okay, I'll make it as a void function. So void merge sort, and in that I need vector integer, and I have to call it by reference because it is a void array. It can't return anything. So we have to change the places in the main array. We have changed the elements in the main array so it can get sorted. Okay, so here nums, and I need many more things. Okay, so many more things like I need a low, I need a high, and I need a mid. Why I need a low, I need a mid, and I need a high? So here, when I have this array, okay, when I have this array, so this is my low, okay, this is my low, and this is my high. This is my high, and this is my low. And whenever want to find the mid, I need this low and I need this high, because low plus high divided by 2 is my mid. So my mid is low plus high divided by 2. So it is my mid. So according to this problem, when I want to split the array from the middle, I have to know the mid element. So for knowing that mid element, I need high and I need a low. So here I need a high into okay, one low and one high. Okay, so int high. So from here I will send the nums, comma, for the entire array. When I am saying I am sending the entire array, the low is always on the 0th index, so I will use 0, and the high is always on the n minus 1th position, and is where n is the length of that array. So nums dot size minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So 0 is my low, and n minus 1 is my high. And in this way, I will return nums, because after the merge sort get performed, the nums will always the sorted array. Okay, now here I'll write the base case. If low is equal to high, it means when low if is equal to high, that the element or the array has a single element, because low and high is always pointing to that single element. So it is no other element than a single element. So I'll simply return. Okay, and now I have to calculate mid, because I want to split that that entire array into two parts from the middle. Okay, so in mid equal to low plus high divided by 2. Okay, now I will call the merge sort again, and in that merge sort I will pass the nums. I am playing with the indexes. I am not playing with that whole array. I will playing with the indexes. So for the left part, I have low as low. Okay, I'll have low as low because I have to split this array from here to here mid. Okay, so for here to here it is low to mid, and for here to here it is mid plus 1 plus mid plus 1 to high. Okay, from here to here it is low to mid, and from here that is the next index from mid, that is mid plus 1 to high. Okay, so for this I'll call this merge sort, and another merge sort from mid plus 1 to high. Okay, this will call the merge sort, and this will resulting in dividing the array till the array got a single element. Okay, now I have to call the merge function. Okay, merge function will get that array nums and low and mid and high. Let's see why. Let's see why this merge have low, mid, and high. Because I have the nums, entire array is nums. Okay. I have a left part from low to mid. I have a left part from low to mid. I have a right part from mid plus 1 to high. So I have hypothetically I have two arrays. I have two arrays, but I don't have two arrays either because I'm playing with that indexes. So the first left half is from index low to mid, and right half is from index mid plus 1 to high. So according to this, I need low, mid, and high. Low to mid is left array, and mid plus 1 to high is right array. So it needs, this function needs low, mid, high, and also the nums array. So let's make an void function that is merge, and it will take vector low, mid, and high. Okay, so let's see how we can merge two sorted array in a sorted array. Okay, so for this I will use a temporary array for storing the um, sorted numbers. Okay, so here I will make two pointers, left equal to low, and int right equal to mid plus 1. Okay, and vector int temp. So let's see how we can merge two sorted arrays. So for here I have this 1 1 5 and 0 0 2. Okay, so I have 1 1 5 and 0 0 and 2. Let's see, this is a left array and this is right array. Okay, this is left and this is right. So I will place a pointer left here. Okay, I have left here and I have right here. Here I have right. So and I have a sorted array here. I have a sorted array. I have a list, empty list. Okay, at first I have an empty list. I will compare left with right. Okay, left with right. If left is small, I will insert left in this sorted list or an empty list, and if right is small, I will insert this right in this list. So here I have small indexes right, so I will insert 0, comma. After inserting right, I will increase the right pointer. Now right goes to next index. Then I will compare left and right. So right is small, so I will insert 0 and comma, and now right goes to the next index. Then now right is here. Okay, now I'll compare left and right. So here left is small now, so I will insert left and increase the left pointer. Now again left is small, so I will insert left. Sorry, I'll insert left and now increase the left pointer. Now right is small, so I will insert right, and now this array index is out of one. The right exceeded the limit. So whenever one pointer, either left or right, exceeds the limit, then I have only this elements or this elements left here. So only I have one array filled with elements. So and that elements are always in the sorted order. So I can place all these elements all these elements in array. So now I have only 5, so I'll place 5. But if I have like 6, 7, I will definitely place here. They will definitely place them here. So in this way, I will sort that array. So let's see. Now I will call a while loop, and the condition of while loop is left should be less than or equal to mid, because mid because the right left array is till the mid and the right array is till the high. So right should be less than equal to high. Okay. Now what will I do? If if nums of left is less than nums of right. Okay, if nums of left is less than nums of right, I will insert it in temp dot pushback nums of left, and if I push left, then I will increase the left pointer. Else I'll do the same thing, but now for right. So here and here should be right. Okay, now I have completed. Did I complete it? No, I did not completed the full things, because what if the left or the right pointer will not exceed that limit? So in that condition, if left is still less than equal to mid, I will do this thing, and now if same thing happens with the right, then right is still lesser than equal to high, I will do this thing in this position. Now I have the sorted array, but that sorted array is in the temporary array. I have to make my real array, or I should say the main array, as per of the sorted array. So I will paste all that elements according to the sorted array. So from low to high, I is less than equal to high, I plus plus, and now nums of I should be equal to temp of I minus low. You are wondering why I do this, either of this, but I do this thing because I'm playing with indexes. As you all know, I'm playing with indexes. So when I was on the low, that is I. So I is on this. Okay, I is on this. Oh, either sorry, I is on this and on the lowest pointer. But I have to insert this position on this position, this element on this position. So I subtract low from that current index. From that current index, I subtracted low because I can find that main index of that main array by doing this. So let's see if it is running fine or not. Mm, okay, I have to do left plus plus, right, right plus plus, and here also left plus plus and right plus plus. Okay, now let's try. Okay, it is running fine, and let's submit it and see if it is passing all the test cases or not. So yes, it is passing all the test cases, and by this I have completed half centuries of my codes on Leetcode. So if you like my video, hit the like button, and if you want to maintain your streak with me, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, set it to all so that you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. And also, if you have any problem in this code, I am leaving that repositories link in my description. So all you have to go here and search this problem number, that is problem number 912. So 912, and you will get the code solution of this problem here. So thank you for today.